Uh, it's appraisal time in the corporate world, and appraisals are not happening very nicely. Well, I don't know whether it is appraisal time or whether it is just repricing time, but I know one employee was called and told, Mr. S, we are very happy with what you have done with us for such a long time. You have worked with us for 20 years. Well, in this period, your salary went up from some few thousands to about 18 lakhs today. And we realized that we can get a new person as competent and as good as you are for about 12-13 lakhs. So we do think that 18 lakhs is an overkill and you are being paid 50% more. And so our suggestion is, we will increase your work. You're not only going to handle the western region, you're also going to handle the eastern region. And you will take a cut in salary. From 18 lakhs CTC, it becomes 15 lakhs CTC. But at 54, that is the best that we can do. Or since you have only another 5 years to go, we would suggest that you take a 1 year CTC as the compensation, not just the basic, and you go and find another job. So both are possible. Please make the choice. So this guy I know made the choice of taking a cut in salary, saying I took a cut in salary because I didn't know how to react to it immediately. I didn't want to lose my job and wonder what to do after sitting at home. I would have brooded, and in these conditions it may not have been very easy to find a job. I will look for a change of job, especially because I handle a lot of admin and sales, and I know that such competence is required outside. So I will talk to a family concern which will let me keep my job till I turn 70. So which means I'm buying myself extra 10-12 years of work, because here I will have to retire at 60, and at 58 they might just say we have had enough, because 58 to 60 is our retirement age. Specifically it says 60, but after 58 we can retire with full honors and respect and full compensation. Everything will be paid. So we have a flexibility of retiring at 58, and knowing that these people have come and changed my salary, there is a very good chance that you will ask me to retire at 58. So I will take this option, and I will look for a job with some friend or somebody known, which is a family run concern, where I can work till 70. So since I'm just 55 now, I've got another 15 years to go with that company. So at that stage, I will go and encash my voluntary retirement scheme and then quit. So repricing is happening for everything. Repricing is happening for rent. Repricing is happening for small services. Repricing will happen even in case of salaries. We have to accept that. Somehow employees think that such a thing cannot happen, that my salary, once it reaches a particular level, cannot come down. There is enough evidence that it is coming down in businesses which are struggling because of COVID and for whatever reasons. If it's retail, client facing kind of a job, and that kind of job is not available, or other companies are saying, look, we are not sacking, but we are not recruiting, what are you going to do, right? So take whatever the offer is and then decide how to react. Also, when you are working in a company, maintain an employment diary, so that end of the year, while doing an appraisal, you know what all you have achieved and you have quantified it and said how the company has saved money, right? So when you do all that, the appraisal also becomes better, saying, oh, this guy knows what he is doing and he's talking like a businessman, not like an employee. All these things will help. But yes, repricing will happen. Repricing is happening, and lots of jobs could be lost. And therefore, if you do not accept that revised offer, you may have to go, and there may be 10 others willing to take up that job. Thank you.